Now, till now you have learned about trigonometric identities, trigonometric ratios, and conversion of one trigonometric ratio into another. Now, today we'll go on new topic. Let me show a new topic, that is problem sum. Problem sums of trigonometry. So today learn about the problem sum of trigonometry. Before going on problem sums, I want to teach you some basic thing about height and distance. So for that, I am taking some examples. Before that, I want to teach you about the uses. See, in problem sum, trigonometry is used in surveying, astronomy, navigation, even it is used in knowing height of mountains, aeroplane, etc. So you can know the width of river, length of railway track, height of anything. Astronomy means distance of star from the earth. All these things which you cannot measure directly, that you can know by using trigonometric ratio. For that, you have to do the problem sums, and with the help of this problem sum, you will be able to find all these things. For that, let me explain you what is angle of elevation. Here what we learn, horizontal ray. First we will learn horizontal ray. Second we will learn ray of vision. Third we will learn angle of elevation. Fourth we will learn angle of depression. And fifth, you will learn vertical ray. All these things you have to learn first of all. so that from problem sum you can be able to identify which is vision ray, which is angle of elevation, which is angle of depression. For that, let me draw a figure. Here a figure is there like this. From here, you are watching here. Let me take it P, M, and here O. This is angle of elevation. This is horizontal ray. This is vertical ray. This is ray of vision. Ray of vision. And observation point. Observation point. This is observation point. So here I have drawn a figure. From figure you can know which is horizontal ray, which is vertical ray, which is ray of vision, which is angle of elevation. That we will learn from here. So, see, if you are observing from here, your ray of vision is like this. If the ray of vision is above the horizontal ray, then it is angle of elevation. See, ray of vision, a ray joining the eye and the point of observation. Your eye is here and ray is joining your eye to the object to be observed. That ray is called the ray of vision. Now horizontal ray, a ray which is parallel to surface of earth, is known as horizontal ray. So from here you will understand this figure is only for understanding the angle of elevation. So first, what is horizontal ray? First, horizontal ray. What is horizontal ray? You should know. The ray parallel to surface of earth emerging from the eye. The ray parallel to surface of earth. Surface of earth. Emerging from eye. From where you are looking. This ray is emerging from the eye and it is parallel to surface of earth. Next is ray of vision. That also you will know. Ray of vision. What is ray of vision? You should know it. The ray from the eye towards the object. The ray from eye towards the object, towards the object under observation. This is ray of vision. See, the ray from eye emerging from the eye also you can write, and towards the object under observation. This is the object under observation. So that ray is called ray of vision. If ray of vision is above the horizontal ray, then angle between ray of vision and horizontal ray is called angle of elevation. Now let me explain you what is angle of elevation. This two you understood. Now let me write angle of elevation. Third is angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? You should learn. If the ray of vision is, if ray of vision is above the horizontal ray, then the angle between ray of vision and horizontal ray is angle of elevation. Understood? Angle between ray of vision and horizontal ray is called angle of elevation. Same way, if you are observing the object not like this, suppose you are observing the object downward. Let me rub it and draw another one. If you are observing the object downward, suppose this is horizontal ray, this is horizontal ray, and I am observing from here, point of observation. Object is here. Here it is 90 degree. You are observing the object. This is object. This is horizontal ray. This is vertical ray. This is ray of vision. So if the object is below the horizontal ray, point of observation, if the ray of vision is below the horizontal ray, then it is known as ray of vision. Sorry, definition of ray of vision is seen: ray joining the eye and the object. Towards the object is a ray of vision. Horizontal ray also you know, the ray which is emerging from the eye and it is parallel to earth surface, that is called horizontal ray. Now we will write angle of depression. If the object is downward, then we will write angle of depression. This is angle of depression. If same definition you have to write it, some slight change I will do for it. See, if the ray of vision is below the, not above, here you write below. If ray of vision, see the ray of vision, is below the horizontal ray, then the angle between ray of vision and horizontal ray is called angle of depression. Ray of depression. In simple words, I will say that if you are looking upward, that is angle of elevation. If you are looking downward, that is angle of depression. That simple thing you should know. If a depression is given in the question, so you think that they are telling you that you are looking downward. And if the angle of elevation is given in the question, then you will understand that a person is looking upward. Now, after getting this much knowledge, and before going to solve the sum, you should know some basic values of trigonometry. You will rarely use your root 2, and you should know the value of root is 1.41. Root 3 will come, then you have to use 1.73. Sometimes 1 upon root 3 will come. If you don't want to rationalize it, you can use 0.5 or 0.577. In 3 digits you can use 0.577, and in 2 digits you can use directly 0.5. If you get 1 upon root 3, no need to rationalize the root 3. You can directly use the value 0.58 instead of root 3. These 3 values you should remember. Whenever you need to put it, you have to put these 3 values and use it. Now next session we will do sum based on this problem sum using trigonometric ratio. So prepare this thing properly so that in next session we can do the sum easily and properly.